Alright, so hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a lip contour. So what you see me doing here is I'm putting on a lip primer to prep for putting on the lipstick. This is very important, don't skip this step. Here, I'm putting on a shade of Mary Kay, which is of Mary Kay makeup. It's kind of like a lighter pink, and I'm putting it around the outline of my lips and down the center of my lips to start off this contouring process. Because it's the darker color, you want to use it on the outside first. Next, here I am using a highlighting lipstick, and it's a lighter shade of pink. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill it into the crevices where I didn't originally have the darker pink. This helps create the effect that it is acting as a highlighter, and it helps to make your lips look fuller. Here is the whole final look. It's all been blended, and I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you all for watching this video. This is kind of a new thing I've been doing, and I just wanted to see what you guys would think about it. I thought the lip contour came out pretty well. I think if I'm going to do it again, I'm going to try with red, like the color I'm wearing right now, because I really like red lipstick. I think it looks really good on me, especially the orange red. But until I talk to you guys again, just leave in the comments if you want to see anything. Again, no winged eyeliner. That is not my thing. But I can probably try and learn how to do any other things if you guys like to. I just don't have the right shape for winged eyeliner, so I can't get it to work on my eyes. So just put it down in the comments what you'd want to see, and I will respond to that comment. If you guys have anything you really want to see, I'll respond to your comment, and hopefully I'll get it into the next video. I'm trying to figure out things I want to do, and I really like makeup, so I think I'm going to start doing a little bit of makeup for now. But until then, I'll see you guys again soon, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video.